Did you know the average cost of nursing home care is $9,000 a month in America? Crazy, right? So, how do you protect against that? It's called long term care insurance. Long term care insurance protects against spending down all of your assets across the board while giving you quality care in the process. And I work with a company that combines long term care insurance and life insurance. It's called Hybrid. What that means is someone, your beneficiaries or yourself, will get all the funds used to fund this policy. So if the policy is never used, well, a death benefit is paid out to your beneficiaries. And if you do use it, well, great. You get quality care and you're not a burden to your family having them pay $9,000 a month to just keep you and give you the care that you need. You want more answers? Well, you know who to talk to. Peace.